In this video, we will discuss the checklist for car shipping. Clean your car. Before shipping your car, it's important to give it a thorough cleaning. Remove non-factory items. Any non-factory items, such as aftermarket stereo systems or custom rims, should be removed before shipping your car. Check your fluids. Make sure to check all of your car's fluid levels, including oil, coolant, and transmission fluid. Check your tires. Before shipping your car, it's important to make sure your tires are properly inflated and in good condition. Disconnect your battery. To prevent any electrical issues during transport, it's a good idea to disconnect your car's battery. Research car shipping companies. It's important to do your research and choose a reputable car shipping company with a proven track record of delivering vehicles safely and on time. Get multiple quotes. To ensure you are getting the best deal, it's a good idea to get quotes from multiple car shipping companies. If you are planning to ship the car, Move Car Auto Transport is the best option. If you are planning to ship the car,